roasted apple crostata with pecan crumble on top is the perfect dessert. And with this chef's oven and the pizza stone, I can get the texture and quality in the dough that I'm really looking for. Just 6 simple ingredients, and now that my dough has rested, I can begin to prepare this delicious dessert. With my dough completely rolled out and the spices and sugar on top of the apples, place the apples in the center and then very simply, gently roll up the dough along the edge, pull it over and twist. As I do, creating a little bit of a crust, and then the topping will go right in the center. Once preheated with the pizza stone hot, set the temperature at 350 degrees and timer for 30 minutes or until golden brown. I can smell the baked apple, and I know, oh yeah, because the pizza stone heats up and cooks that dough perfectly, there's no more soggy crusts, just perfectly cooked baked apple crostata.